Do you square the radius or multiply by 2 4-circle area? Imagine you're trying to find out how much space a circle covers. Do you just take the radius and do something special with it? Or is there another step involved? When working with circles, understanding what to do with the radius is key. The main thing to remember is that the formula for the area of a circle involves the radius, but not in the way you might think. The area equals pi times the radius squared. Pi is about 3.1459. So you take the radius and multiply it by itself, then multiply that by pi. That means you do not multiply the radius by 2. Multiplying the radius by 2 gives you the diameter, which is the full width across the circle passing through the center. But the diameter is not used directly in the area calculation. The formula specifically calls for the radius squared, not the diameter. For example, if the radius is 3 units, you square it first. 3 times 3 equals 9. Then you multiply 9 by pi, which is about 3.1459. So 9 times pi is roughly 28.27 square units. Now, if you mistakenly multiply the radius by 2 first, you get 6. Then, multiplying 6 by pi gives you about 18.85. But that is not the area. It is a common mistake to think you should multiply the radius by 2, but the correct step is to square the radius. This is because the radius squared accounts for the area of the circle. Remember, the radius is the distance from the center to the edge, and that measurement is what you need to plug into the formula. The diameter is just twice the radius, but it's not used in the area calculation. So, always take the radius, multiply it by itself, and then multiply by pi. That's the simple way to find the area of a circle. Knowing this helps you avoid confusion and makes working with circles much easier. In summary, for circle area, do not multiply the radius by 2. Always square the radius and then multiply by pi. This step keeps your calculations accurate and connects well with other shape properties you learn in geometry.